Hi, I'm Matt.
I'm Tyler.
We're Truckee Vanka. Let's go check out our vans.
I'm Nate Murphy, and I have literally just bought this van to show you how to build a van. We have made a really detailed course which will help you go from this to this. You will learn everything you need. We help you specify your electrical system, and you'll be able to access the community all building their own vans at the same time.
We're calling this one Aqua, obviously for the color of the cabinets. We used a blue paint on our cabinets, which I was a really big fan of, and then real wood cabinet faces. These are actually cherry that we built ourselves. They match the cherry trim around the window. We have a full kitchen with acacia countertops, a gas stove, and a deep sink, which is awesome and necessary for doing dishes on the road. Our water pump switch is located right next to it. Has a coil spring faucet. You can turn it off easily. We've got a gas stove, massively high BTU burner, which is ideal for cooking. We have a AC outlet right there, underhead lighting, a closet right here, more shelving. We have a stainless steel refrigerator and stainless steel hardware. The other really cool part about this van is this table is acacia butcher block. Similarly, we have a toilet that comes out. Our water system is a 20-gallon freshwater tank, 7-gallon gray water tank, which is super cool. We have a neat little design. Essentially, this drain can toggle very easily via a quick connect to drain to the underside of the van. We have a liquid propane and propane and carbon monoxide detector, swivel seats, brand new 2022 ProMasters with all the bells and whistles, wireless AirPlay. This vehicle has the thing that yells at you when you change lanes, blind spot detectors, and a tow hitch, as well as other options. Moving over here, we've got a dimmer switch, max air fan, the LUX. So you just press that button, boom. Inverter, thermostat with the Webasto heater. The Webasto heater lives underneath the seat there. This is a Cymarine Pico system. Pretty cool. It tells you your battery life, how much time is remaining on it, voltage, current. It also hooks up to the car battery and to the water tank, and it tells you the temperature and the pressure outside. We got a little book rack, nightstand, little area to store toiletries, another nightstand on the other side, more cabinets, reading lights, and now we'll take you, cubbies, more storage, and we'll take you to the garage of the vehicle. We have a ton of space right here. We wanted to make the garage super open. We've got long storage right here for fishing rods or skis, etc. We got a shower, water fill ports located right here, lighting underneath the bed. This is a bump out for our table. Propane locker, which is vented and sealed. All the fittings are located inside, so if there are any leaks, it would all be vented to the outside. Shower. Electrical system. We got a 50 amp hour DC to DC battery charger with MPPT. This is an 1,000 watt inverter, 200 amp hour battery, and 300 watts of solar on the roof. We also have a Starlink mount on the roof, which is pretty sweet if you want to integrate a Starlink satellite to your van build. And then, shower. mounts right here. So this thing moves around and toggles. We were just using it earlier. It's pretty sweet, works all really well. Lastly, we got these really awesome window coverings by Strawfoot, made in Santa Cruz, not too far from us. And these just pop right onto the windows with some magnets. One thing that we really wanted to highlight in these builds is the layout. I lived in a van for 3 years, and really I obsessively designed what would be the most spacious and optimal and efficient layout for someone to be living in this thing full time, or really for anyone who's just trying to weekend warrior or enjoy a van that really feels more like an apartment or a house as opposed to an automotive look that feels a bit squished. So over here we have a pretty massive bench that fits 3 people, obviously our massive kitchen, and really just a spacious feel. You can fit tons of people in the van. Like honestly, I fit 10 people comfortably, just hanging out, kind of like lodging people up on the bed and on the floor and in the swivel seat. And it really makes this space a very comfortable and livable area relative to a lot of the other builds you see out there. And yeah, that's it. That's a tour of one of our 3 vans. We're calling this one Aqua. Check them all out on our website at truckievanco.com. Thanks.
You may have noticed that you can buy our ebook. Our ebook shows you how to build a van conversion. It has 190 pages of text, diagram, and images showing you various options of various systems. It also comes with 25 videos that show you hands-on how to do many parts of building a van. Also, we have a course. The course is really in-depth. It shows you everything from how to use basic tools all the way through to doing your gas, your water, and your electric installation. Not only that, but within the course, we support you hands-on in making your electrical specification. And you get to join a community of like-minded van builders who are building their vans at exactly the same time. Follow the links to find out more, and thanks for watching.